This video focuses on how to edit or delete a patient record in NPRQI. All encounters entered at your site can be viewed in the Encounter Management section of NPRQI. To search for a specific patient record, click Review and Search All Encounters on the left-hand column. In this section, you can search for an encounter using subject ID, site name, status, or visit date. You may also filter encounters entered before or after a certain date. Once you have identified the record you wish to edit, click on the ED Visit ID or Subject ID highlighted in green to enter the patient record. Once you are in the Encounter page, you may edit the record as needed. Once you have completed your edits, please scroll to the bottom of the page to hit Submit. Note that if you do not hit Submit, the edits you have made to your record will not be reflected in your dataset or performance dashboard. Once you submit a record, you will briefly see a submission confirmation screen and then return to the Encounter Management screen. Once you are back at this screen, your edits have been saved and submitted. Next, we will discuss deleting a patient record. On the Encounter Management page, there is a green trash can icon next to every patient record. To delete a record, click on this icon. You will see a warning message asking you to confirm your decision to delete the record. Please note that this action cannot be undone, as deleting a record will remove it from the system permanently. Hit the red button to confirm deleting the encounter. And once an encounter has been successfully deleted, you will see a green message at the top right corner that states Encounter Successfully Deleted.